Hello everyone. We're going to do a walk around my newly acquired Ford F-150. It's a 1991 XLT Lariat. The previous owner put a 4-inch lift kit, rough country, with 33-inch mud grapplers. Starting to grow on me. It looks pretty good. I got it in February 2020 before the whole COVID thing happened, so I haven't really done that much work to it, but except for the important stuff. It has a dual exhaust flow master. Didn't have a truck bed tailgate, but I just got one. It's in the garage, just need to put it. Has that window, you can open up in the back. Dual gas tank. As you can see, you need some reupholstering, but the reason I got it is because it has a lot of sentimental value. I grew up driving this truck. My father had in Mexico had what's called a F-200. His was pretty much lifted. Had a short bed with one gas tank. Had a 5.0 engine. This one has a 5.0 engine as well. Had a standard bull nose bar with hella fog lights, and it also had a 60/40 seat instead of a bench seat. But this one's trying to grow on me. I'm gonna try to replicate that truck. It has the same tan interior. The other reason why I got this truck, because I got it with 85,000 miles. I already put like 3,000 in it, so it has 88,000 original miles. And the seller said, I'll sell it to you under one condition: if you don't use it as a work truck. So I said no problem. Here's the engine, good condition, turns on a dime.